Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This video is going to be about an air fryer that I purchased for my husband for Christmas. This is my personal opinion. Here are some pictures. And I also included, this is the chicken that I'll be doing, and I made some shrimp yesterday. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Okay, I am showing you guys how big the actual quart is. This is a 5 by 5. This is where you'll be putting the food. That is very important because you want to make sure it's big enough for your family. It is a Cook's air fryer. Here you go. It looks kind of like an oven, and then it has a timer on it also. And I'm just putting it back in there. You'll be needing some Pam. Pam is really good to have, so you can be able to spray it on the container, so you can be able to make sure that you cook it without it sticking. So go ahead and spray it all over the bottom. Okay, and just go ahead and put it back in there. And I want to tell you guys Happy New Year's. I hope everybody had a beautiful, beautiful, blessed New Year. I did. And I hope prosperous things for everyone in the new year. Bye, guys. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so like I was saying, it's kind of like an oven. It has a timer on it also. They have bigger ones, they have little ones, they have really small ones. Just see what you like. Okay, here we go. The chicken. Here is the eggs. I like to put that in my little chicken mixture. Here are the breadcrumbs. Next time though, I will get not plain, get something with some seasoning, y'all, because I feel like the breadcrumbs were very, very plain. Even though I added my seasoning, but it was plain. Okay, so go ahead and add that's gonna be the flour also. And you don't got to use the breadcrumbs and flour. I just wanted to kind of experiment and see which I like. So I got plates for everything. I'm gonna lay everything out so I can be able to just dip it and then put it back inside of the plate. Okay, so now I am about to clean off the chicken. Always make sure you always cleaning your chicken or any type of meat that you using. Always. Okay, have you a bowl. So once you are done cleaning it, you can just go ahead and put the chicken inside of the bowl. And I clean my chicken with kind of cool water. It's not cold, cold, because my hands be freezing cold. It's kind of like cool, room temperature kind of, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to go ahead and get these clean, guys, and I'm going to come back, okay? When I feel that I need to walk you guys through something. Thanks for watching too, guys. And now is the time, you guys, you can add your seasonings, okay? Because this chicken is clean now. Okay, now I am getting my ingredients together for my dip so I can be able to make my chicken nice and crunchy. It's something about the egg, you guys, that make it so crunchy. Like I said, I'm experimenting using the breadcrumbs and the flour too, because I usually use that when I'm doing my um, fried green tomatoes. So I just wanted to try something different. So make sure you have a little area and plate ready for everything that you got to lay out. So it'll be nice, clean, and you don't have to worry about making a mess. So that's what I'm doing. Putting everything in plates. And then once I get done dipping it, I'm going to put the other one in the other plate. And I like to let mine sit for just like about 5 minutes with the braiding and stuff on it. Then I cook it. Okay? So just follow along, guys. Okay, guys, so you see what I am doing. I am again just kind of just dipping the chicken in the egg. And then sometimes I would dip it in the breadcrumbs. Sometimes I dip it in the egg and then the flour. Then sometimes I dip it in both. I'm just kind of experimenting just to see which one works best for this air fryer. Because I've seen a couple videos, but a lot of them really didn't tell you how long to really cook it. And then I'm putting it over to the side. I kind of like to let once I put the breadcrumbs and stuff on, I like to kind of let it sit for just maybe about a good 5 minutes just to let it sit. And then if it was grease and I was cooking over the stove, then I would cook it. But here we go. Just wanted to show you, breaded it. Okay, so let's get them cooked. Okay, so I put some more Pam on it again just to be on the safe side. It's always best just so it won't stick, because you'll be amazed of how things stick without Pam. So I'm just laying them accordingly. It said lay them not on top of each other. I'm just kind of laying them like I would if I was laying them in a skillet full of hot grease. But you know, we don't have the grease. So that's the good thing, you guys, that's supposed to be about this air fryer. I'm sorry. That a lot of people were saying that you don't have to have a lot of grease to cook your stuff in. And that was so amazing to us. I really wasn't, I'm not like with all that new technology. So my hubby seen this, and so many people had so many rips and raves about it. So we wanted to try it. And I got it for my baby for his Christmas gift. So let's do it. And he back there watching me, and we just doing this together. I was like, babe, it's your Christmas gift. But I just did them and getting this chicken together. And I'm also going to be making some fries too. So just arrange them accordingly. And then it say put them in for, it didn't say, because it didn't say chicken, but I decided to put it on for 10 minutes on 400. And there it go, arranged. Again, I got it on 400 and I put it on for 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so let's take it out. This is 10 minutes later. Not done. Still got flour on it. Still undone. So let's give it another 10 minutes. Let's see what it looked like. Yeah, shake it up. I wanted to shake it up because it told me to shake it up. That's what my hubby was telling me back there, shake it up. He told me I did not have to turn the chicken because he watched the video. So I'm just shaking it up. And I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes. Okay, that's 10 more minutes. And this is how it looked after the 10 minutes. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna put it back in there for another 10 minutes. Okay, now this is the other 10 minutes. So grand total, y'all, this has been 30 minutes inside of the air fryer, and it's still not done, and it still has a lot of flour. So what I decided to do, let me make sure. I think, yep, I started turning it over. So I decided to turn it over because I knew if it was like cooked in the oven, sometimes it does not cook well. So I decided to turn them over, give it another 10 minutes. Okay, so now I took them out again. This is the other 10 minutes. Y'all, this is not getting done. You see it still have flour on it. Like, to me, to be honest with you, you know, I know everybody got their personal preference, but I would have did better just putting it in the oven. Like, for real, it still have flour. So I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes because I was like, you know what? I know everybody said they love the way chicken tastes in there. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes. Let's do it. Okay, so we are completely done. I gave it enough time because it started getting burnt looking and I didn't want it to look burnt. So you see how many times, guys, I had to put it back in the oven. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, tasting these, they tasted actually really good. My husband tasted them. He said that they was all right. He said they kind of taste like when you put something in the oven and you put it back in again. I mean, it is crunchy. But my thing is, y'all, what's the difference to you cooking in the oven and cooking it like this? Because I feel like it took as much time. But you just let me know. But here we go. Some chicken. Oh, hot. Okay, guys. Let me know how y'all like your air fryer. Let me know how you decide on what to put your air fryer on, temp, time, all that good stuff. Okay? Be blessed, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And again, this is crunchy chicken. I turned it over. We'll see how the other side do. But other than that, it's time to eat. This chicken is good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's good. And crispy. So guys, like I said, the chicken is good. But I want y'all to put down in the comments if you have an air fryer. What's the difference between an oven? Like, I feel like it's the same. I'm not sure, but you guys let me know how y'all feel, okay? Okay, I cooked it for a little longer. I don't want them to get dry and burnt, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. Like I said, one of them did still have flour on it. I don't know if you can see it, but they are crispy. They do taste good. So my take on, if you want to go out and purchase you an air fryer, most definitely. But I really don't see the difference between this and a oven. But like I said, you guys, you let me know. Maybe I'll see something different, okay? Take care, be blessed. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you got an air fryer, let me know how you love yours and why you love it, okay? It's very hot when you move it, so be careful. The good thing about it is that there is no oil. So that's I mean, it is oil in here, but it's not a lot of oil. Let's see. Let's show you the air fried wings. How they look to you. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. This is just an update from the video that I just did. Wanted to let you know, me and my hubby decided we're going to actually take the air fryer back. This is the second item, actually fourth thing that we cooked inside of the air fryer. And it's just not worth it. Don't get me wrong. You know, some people may say the air fryer is excellent for them. But to me, guys, it's kind of like I could just put it in the oven. Because yesterday I made some chicken. And it probably took about maybe 25, 30 minutes. And I could have put it in the oven. It might have taken just about as long, but it would have been actually more crispier, taste more better. Don't get me wrong, y'all. The chicken was excellent. Just not, an air fryer is just not for us. And then it's like you can only get so much food in there. You get one thing done. We also put it in the oven too, because like what I did was, since it kind of take a while for some things to get done, I just kind of did the oven and the air fryer. And just to me, I paid $100 for this. I just feel that I could just do it in the oven. But whatever floats you guys' boat, whatever makes it work for you guys, make it work. I just wanted to show you guys my review of the air fryer. I used the Cook's air fryer. Again, like I said, I paid $100. It's 5.5 quarts. If you have a bigger family, most definitely get more than the 5.5 quart. You need a bigger one. And not only did that entail of you having to get a bigger one, now you got more space that it will take up. So anyway, just want to show you guys, I am on my way to take this back. Let me guys know your comments, questions, concerns, all that good stuff. Be blessed, guys, and have a happy New Year's. Bye, guys.